In this video, I will show you how to protect the workbook with password and remove password. Workbooks containing confidential information should be accessible only to authorized users. So suppose you are working on this workbook and you are assuming that this is the confidential or important information. So you have to protect this workbook with the help of password. And I will show you how to set the password. First of all, you have to click the File tab and then Save As and then Browse. And here you can see the Tools tab. Open this Tools tab, click on the Journal options, and here you have to write down your password. So you will see ... It means you are setting your password. Right. So now I am going to close this workbook. When I will open it again, it will ask you to write down your password. So in this way, your workbook is protected. But the very important thing is that passwords are case sensitive, can contain a maximum of 255 characters, which consist of letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. If you forget the password, there is no way to remove the protection from the workbook. So it is very important that you have to write down your password in a safe place. Now, how to remove the password? Again, same steps. Go to the File tab, then Save As, then Browse. Open this Tools tab and then Journal options. Here you will see ... So just remove it and press Delete and OK. So in this way, you have removed your password. Now when I will open again, there is no need to write down the password. So in this video, you have learned how to protect the workbook with password and how to remove the password. And thanks for watching the video.